Question: do you find yourself overgiving in relationships, especially after failing? Well, guess what? You have a choice to reset your boundaries. Here's a story. Albert Einstein faced personal and professional setbacks early on, including failed relationships. Learning to set clearer boundaries allowed him to channel his energy into his groundbreaking theories. Here's a message. Failure can show you where your relationships drain you. Y'all might fight me for that one, but this is true. Listen, set boundaries that allow you to grow while fostering mutual respect. Remember, strong boundaries create strong connections. Do remember, good people, it's all about you. Yeah.